So here I'm sitting with my ChatGPT, and what ChatGPT could do for you really depends upon your own creativity, how you want to use it. So many times we have some long videos which are very informative and useful, and you want to know the content, but we don't have the time to go through those lengthy videos. So here is one of my own video. It's about 46 minutes long. It is one of the most popular videos. And if I need to go through the contents, what is it about? One trick I have learned from ChatGPT in 2 steps. So ChatGPT currently is not able to watch those videos directly, but what you could do, first download the transcript from the videos. So on a YouTube video, you want to really know the contents quickly. The trick is that go to the bottom of the screen, and in the description area, you will see some text. And text is basically ending with 3 dots and more. Click right on that 3 dots and more, and you will see a button appears as show. So press show transcript, and on the right side of the video screen, it would show the transcript sentence by sentence with a timestamp. Now you don't need timestamp for this. So just go on the top of this transcript and 3 dots, click on it and toggle timestamp. You don't need it. Press on it, timestamp is gone. Now you are left with the transcript only. What you need to do, just copy and paste this transcript. So let me copy it. It should be quick. It's a long transcript, but it should be quick in terms of the copy and pasting. So you copy it, Command C, and go to the ChatGPT. And what you need to tell ChatGPT that make 1 page summary of the below text. And next to it, you just need to paste all the transcript. And here you have pasted, and then just let it go. And let's see what happens. So this is end of the transcript, and it's trying to do something right now. Let's go to the bottom of the screen and see what it is. So it's already started to write the summary points from this 46 minutes YouTube. Pretty good summarization, bullet by bullet, not very detailed, but it's highlighting all the very important points from the video. And it's still going on. But one of the beauty of ChatGPT is that it basically summarizes in a very structured manner. So bullets, subheadings, sequence numbers makes it very easy for you to go through the contents it creates. Now it's writing the conclusion and looks pretty good. So overall, for this 46-minute long video, it has summarized into few bullet points. So key points discussed is from 1 to 10, very summarized and short bullets, and then few more points at the bottom. I don't think it would take more than a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to read through it. And that is how you will know the contents quickly for any long videos. So I hope that trick would be useful to anyone who want to really go through the contents of some long YouTube videos.